Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of American Dream TV. I'm your host, Jillian Hewer, and today I have something really exciting to share with you guys. We are here at Splash Sports Bar, located right outside of Chase Center and just a few blocks from Oracle Park. Whether it's the Warriors, Giants, or your fantasy football lineup, this is the place you want to be. Let's go check it out. With screens on every wall, roaring fans, and energy that rivals the stadium itself, Splash Sports Bar delivers the full-on game day rush without the nosebleed seats. Whether you're a diehard local or just here for the vibe, you'll find cold drinks, epic food, and a front row seat to all the action. And yes, it's family-friendly and dog-friendly. Now that's what we call inclusive fandom. I am here with Tom Balcom, the general manager of Splash Sports Bar, located here in the beautiful Thrive City. Tom, welcome. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Glad to host you.
Yes, thank you. For anyone who hasn't been here at Splash, can you tell me what kind of experience and what sets Splash apart from other sports bars here in the Bay?
Well, I think the Warriors decided to build something that's pretty special. I mean, it's a 30,000 square foot sports bar. 20,000 inside, 10,000 outside. So if outside's your thing, we have TVs there. If you want a video wall and like you're in a Vegas sports book, the top end sports book, that's us. So we do all great sports, great food, great drinks, and great people. So I'm pretty blessed to be here.
So how many TV screens are in here?
Only 78. Yeah,
only 78.
Only 78, yeah. Yesterday we had the Texas X's in here, and the guy that was running the Texas X's says, I'm pacing because it was an important game, and he says, everywhere I turn there's a TV. So I think that kind of summed it up.
As far as the concept behind Splash, was that a partnership with the Warriors? Are they looking to kind of build up Thrive City, or tell us what the concept was with Splash?
Yeah, this is a creation from Joe Lakeup. He wanted the ultimate sports bar, and this was the last piece to his beautiful Thrive City that just has tons of different venues in it. You can try all different types of food, and we're just kind of like the cherry on top. So we're a big cherry, but we're here.
Yes. You guys are right here in between Chase Center and Oracle Park. Can you tell me about the location and how that brings the energy and the vibe during game days?
First, our friends are the Giants. And secondly, we have lots of people walking down 3rd Street on their way to the game, so we like them to stop here, have a quick little pop, maybe a bite to eat before they head over to the Giants. So we're thankful for the location.
What makes Splash Bar more than just a bar? How is it connected to the local community?
Good question. A couple things. Just yesterday, all the beers that they drank, the Texas X's, we donated $1 for every one of those beers back to their alumni association. We've done lots of different philanthropy type events to give back to the community. A lot of them have to do with the Warriors partnership and their excellent ties to the community, which is really great. We're dog friendly, we're kid friendly, all ages, all hours. Sometimes we see the kids kicking soccer balls in the swing suites, and sometimes in the suite right next to it, the adults are swinging drivers to play on a golf course at St. Andrews. So we do it all ages, all the time, and really pay close attention to that. We want the families here.
For any of our guests that are watching from home, can you tell them why Splash Sports Bar needs to be their next stop when they are here visiting San Francisco?
Wow, where do we start? First, we have great people. They're just the top-notch hospitable people that I've put together, and I'm just blessed to be a part of them. So you're gonna come to a place that feels warm. If you wanna watch your favorite sports on a 190-foot video wall, come on over. I'll put on whatever you want.
That's so awesome. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure. Come down and see me. I'm Tom.
Whether you're here for the big game, the buzz, or just the beer, Splash Sports Bar is where it all comes together. From the screens to the screams, there's nothing like it here in San Francisco. Thank you for joining me on another exciting episode of American Dream TV. I'm your host, Jillian Hewer. And remember, if you're ready to finance your American dream, reach out to me, coast to coast, game day or not. I'd be more than happy to help. Until next time, I'll see you soon.